Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 14 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll down in order to find the digital well-being and parental controls. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. As you can see, in my case it was 30 minutes. Most of the time I've spent on the settings. We can tap inside the graph to check some further details. We can check the screen time in particular days of the week. As you can see, we can compare them. Just tap on the specific day and check the minutes. We can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened, and under it we've got the list of apps which we've been using with specific time we've spent on them. You can tap on the specific app and again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is obviously tightly connected with only this one app. Moreover, next to some apps we've got this characteristic hourglass icon, and basically if you will decide that you're spending too much time on one app, you can set it, so set the timer. Let me tap on it here. And we can set it, for example, for 1 hour and 30 minutes. And it means that we will be able to use this app for only 1 hour and 30 minutes during a day. After that, our device will simply block the app, and the block will be reset at midnight. And again, we will be able to use it for 1 hour and 30 minutes in the next day. But of course, if you want to, you can block it immediately. Simply set it for 0 hours and 0 minutes. Confirm it with OK. As you can see, the app will be grayed out, and if I will try to open it, our device will show us this information that the app has been paused and sorry, you will be able to use it tomorrow, but obviously we won't because we've got 0 hours and 0 minutes. So obviously we can change it, we can turn off the timer, but I think it is a quite nice option to try to use if you wish to limit the time you're spending on the screen and on the specific app. Moreover, I just wanted to show you we've got another option to limit the time spent on the screen. For example, here we've got ways to disconnect, so the app timers, I've just discussed them. We've got also something called focus mode, so if you've got distracting apps like for example social media, you can mark them here. Here we've got the full list of apps. So let me just quickly do something like that. Then we can set a schedule, so we can choose specific days of the week, specific hours, etc. It's up to you completely. And after tapping on set, your device will basically hide the notifications from those distracting apps during a schedule, of course. So you will have time to, I don't know, focus on family, friends, studying, working, resting, whatever you wish to do in that kind of hours. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.